Watch closely. Here's listen and here's silent. Are they anagrams? Let's find out before the timer runs out. Yes! But what about hello and world? Let's see. Why did one work and the other fail? Let's visually dissect how anagrams really work. Hey friends! Today we're diving into the fun world of anagrams. We'll break it all down with clear examples and fun animations. No tricky words, no stress. Just a simple and fun way to learn. Ready? Let's get started. What's an anagram? Imagine you're baking cookies. An anagram is like rearranging chocolate chips. Same ingredients, new shape. Two words are anagrams if they use the exact same letters, same number of times. Example 1. Cat, to act. Same letters, scrambled. Example 2. Debit card, to bad credit. Mind-blowing, right? But apple versus app? Nope. Missing letters. Got it? Cool. Let's crack the code computers use to spot these. Let me demonstrate how the anagram works visually, and later I will be explaining you how the code execute line by line. Demo 1. Perfect match. Cinema and Iceman. Let's animate this. Step 1. Clean both, Cinema and Iceman. Step 2. Both have 6 letters, green light. Step 3. Build the piggy bank for Cinema. C equals 1, I equals 1, N equals 1, M equals 1. Step 4. Subtract Iceman letters. C, 1 to 0, I, 1 to 0, all 0. Every letter found its twin. Demo 2. Epic fail. Hello and world. Now, let's break it. Step 1. Clean. Hello and world. Step 2. Both 5 letters? Check. Step 3. Hello piggy bank. H equals 1. E equals 1. L 2. O 1. Step 4. Subtract world letters. W? Not in the bank. Crash. Even the double L in hello trips it up. Not anagrams. Let's start with code now. Function anagrams, string 1. We define a function named rAnagrams that takes 2 string arguments, string 1 and string 2. Const clean string 1 equals string 1, replace regular expression, to lowercase. Remove all non-alphanumeric characters from string 1 and convert it to lowercase for case-insensitive comparison. Const clean string 2 equals string 2, replace regular expression, to lowercase. Do the same cleanup for string 2. Remove special characters and convert to lowercase. If clean string 1 length equals clean string 2 length, return false. If the clean strings have different lengths, they can't be anagrams. Return false immediately. Const char count equals create an empty object to store the count of each character from clean string 1. For let char of clean string 1, char count char equals char count char or 0, loop through each character in clean string 1. For Let char of clean star 2 start looping through clean star 2 to compare characters against the char count object. If not char count char, return false. If a character from clean star 2 is not found in char count, or its count is 0, return false. Char count char minus. If the character is found, decrease its count by 1. Return object values char count. Every count equals 0. Check if all values in char count are 0. If they are, the strings are anagrams. Return true. Otherwise, false. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth programming tutorials with animations. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer. Happy coding!